Snake bites are a grave public health issue in India and cause the highest number of deaths. The Supreme Court called upon urgent steps to be taken to take up efforts joined from the center and state for this smooth coordination to overcome this crisis. Directors of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court on Monday asked the center to collaborate with the states to solve the problem of deaths due to snake bites. The issue was placed before a bench headed by Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice S.V.N. Bhatti. The bench highlighted the necessity of providing a snake bite treatment facilities across medical centers nationwide, the importance of organizing joint efforts between the central and the state governments. Key statements from the court. You can work with the states. This problem affects the entire country, the bench stated. It recommended a meeting involving representatives from all states to devise actionable solutions collaboratively. This is not an adversarial litigation, the bench clarified, signaling the collective nature of the challenge. The core issue. The petition under consideration raised alarming concerns. There is a significant shortage of anti-venom supplies throughout the country. Eventually, it is worsening the public health issue. It has the largest number of snakebite deaths in the world, with over 58,000 reported each year. Healthcare gaps are primarily due to a lack of awareness, insufficient healthcare, and delayed treatment. Supreme Court's timeline and expectations. The Central Government's Council assured the court that measures undertaken would be recorded and shared. Several state government lawyers present at the hearing committee committed to filing their affidavits in response to the petition. The Supreme Court granted all parties 6 weeks to submit their replies and outlined the need for a detailed review of the issue. The petitions highlights snakebite deaths. The alarming death toll in the country, largely in the rural regions, is caused by snake bites. Lack of antivenom. The acute scarcity of polyvalent antivenom that treats the snakebite cases. Health missions and public awareness program. The need for these two to sensitize rural communities on snake bites and their preventive methods, as well as first aid treatment. Collaborative approach the way ahead. Proposed solutions. Increases antivenom production. Ensure adequate supplies of polyvalent antivenom across the country. Healthcare accessibility. Expand and strengthen medical facilities, especially in rural and remote areas. Awareness program. Conduct campaigns to educate communities on snakebite risk and preventive measures. Government partnerships. Foster collaboration between central and state authorities to create a unified strategy. Snakebite remains a major problem. With rural India suffering the brunt of the situation, rural India is most severely impacted by snakebites, which continue to be a serious problem. The proactive approach taken by the Supreme Court emphasizes the necessity of both short-term and long-term fixes. Reducing snakebite-related deaths and easing this serious public health concern will depend heavily on ensuring sufficient medical resources, raising awareness, and coordinating government action.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.